Hello students, welcome to the maths class of standard 4th. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter number 12, how heavy, how light. Chapter number 12, how heavy, how light. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the unit grams and kilograms. Grams and kilograms. This unit we are using in our daily life. See, in your textbook page number 133, this lesson is given, chapter number 12. See, look in your textbook, here one picture is given, horse cart. You can see the picture of the horse cart. Here two friends, Jaiju and Manu, were shifting their house. So they load their household, whatever the things is there, they are shifting from one home to another. They are shifting their house. So they are taking their things like water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, an almari, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder, pots and pans. See, you can see in this picture, okay. So much of things they are taking in a horse cart. So the weight of that horse cart, maybe it is near about 700 kg. It is given in your book. But how heavy is this load? They asked. So about this grams and kilograms we'll learn in this chapter. So what to keep in your mind is 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So here in your workbook, few questions are given on the basis of this. First one is few examples are given. Page number 175 in your workbook. Page number 175 in your workbook. Okay. So here first is given conversion of kilograms into grams. Conversion of grams into kilograms. पहले क्या किया है? किलोग्राम को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट किया है and then ग्राम को किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट किया है. So how it is done? That is given over here. Convert. First is given convert 5 kg in grams. 5 kg दिया है, उसको हमें ग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. So here it is 5 kg. That we have to convert into gram. See, kg means kilogram. The short form of kilogram is kg, and for gram g it is for gram. Okay, gram and kilogram. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. This things you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now 5 kg convert into grams. So here 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Okay. So here 5 kg equal to 5 multiplied by C. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 5 kg equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 grams. So we get 5000 grams. Okay. 5 kg equal to 5000 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 5 kg equal to 5000 grams. Next, one more example I will do. If it is given 7 kg equal to how many grams? So 7 kg. First we write 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 7 kg equal to 7000 grams. Directly you can write. You multiply with this 1000. 7 multiply with 1000, so you will get 7000. Or if it is given 4 kg equal to how many grams? 4000 grams. Very easy. Directly you multiply with the 1000. Okay. Next is convert 7000 grams into kg. given into gram and that we have to convert into kilograms. Okay, gram is here, उसको हम किलोग्राम में convert करेंगे. So here we write 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So here it is given in grams, 7000 grams equal to 7000 divided by 1000 grams. Okay, so here 7000 divided by 1000. So here we got the zeros. So we'll get 7. So it is 7 kg. Understood? This here what we have done, from gram to kilogram we have converted. So 7 grams equal to, that is 7 kg. Next, convert 4 kg 500 grams into grams. 4 kg. I hope this is clear to you. These three things you have to keep in your mind. See, the short forms and this 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. This whole chapter is depend on this only. So you have to keep in your mind. Okay. So now we go ahead. Convert 4 kg 500 grams. 4 kg 500 grams into grams. इसको ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है. 4 kg 500 grams को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट. See, this is already given in grams. So हमें क्या करना है, 4 kg को पहले ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, फिर इन सबको ऐड करेंगे. So here we will write 4 kg 500 grams. Okay, हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे अभी किलोग्राम से ग्राम में. तो पहले हम इसको लेंगे. First of all we'll write 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 4 kg 500 grams equal to, इसको हम पहले कन्वर्ट करेंगे 4 kg को ग्राम में. 4 into 1000 grams plus, क्या करेंगे, plus 500 grams. So here it is 4000 grams plus 500 grams. So it is 4500 grams. इसको हम ऐड करेंगे. रफ और पहले show you here 4000 plus 500 grams. So this is given in grams. We'll add it. 4500 grams. Then we have written over here. See this answer. 4 kg 500 grams. This we have converted into grams. So here we have done. पहले क्या किया, 1000 के साथ 4 को मल्टीप्लाई किया, उसको ग्राम में कन्वर्ट किया, फिर 500 के साथ उसको ऐड किया. So we get 4500 grams. Now next is, we will see the question number 1. Convert grams into kilograms and grams. Convert grams into kilograms. So here it is given. First one is 2420. 2420. Now see, question number 1 is given. Convert grams into kilograms. So here it is given in grams. That we have to convert into kilograms. Grams को हम किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So first we will write here 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So here it is given 2420 grams. That we have to convert into kilogram. So here we divide this 2420 grams divided by 1000 grams. So here क्या करेंगे, 2420 divided by 1000 grams. So here we got this 0 0. So we got 2 converting this. So here it is C. 1000 के साथ डिवाइड करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे C 8047. So पीछे से हम बैक साइड पे 3 स्टेप आगे जाएंगे 1, 2 and 3 and we put the dot. डॉट के आगे का जो नंबर है उसको हम केजी बोलेंगे 8 kg and 47 grams. This way you can solve the rest of this two. You have to solve by your own self. Now next is convert kilograms into grams. Convert kilograms. Here we have what we have done, gram to kilogram. Now we will see convert ग्राम से किलोग्राम में हमने कन्वर्ट किया. अभी क्या करेंगे, किलोग्राम को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. किलोग्राम्स टू ग्राम, केजी टू ग्राम्स. सेकेंड वन क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वन इट इज 2 kg 300 grams. 2 kg 300 grams. केजी को हमें क्या करना है, किलोग्राम्स को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो फर्स्ट वन राइट 1 kg इक्वल टू 1000 grams. So here it is 2 kg 300 grams. So पहले हम क्या करेंगे, 2 kg को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. Then we'll add this 300 grams. So 2 kg. So here 2 multiplied by 1000 grams plus 300 तो grams नहीं है तो उसको हम ऐड करेंगे 300 grams. So here it is 2000 grams plus 300 grams. So here it is 2300 grams total. Very easy. क्या किया हमने, किलोग्राम को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है तो यहाँ पे 2 kg 300 grams दिया गया हुआ है. So first we convert this 2 kg into grams. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kg equal to 2000 grams plus this already it is given into grams. So we'll add this into 2000 grams. So it is 2300 grams. Next is given 8 kg 875 grams. Fourth one 8 kg 875 grams. So here we write 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 8 kg 875 grams equal to, see this is already given in grams. So this 8 kg will convert into grams. 8 multiplied by 1000 grams plus this 875 को ऐड कर देंगे 75 grams. So here this is 8000 grams plus 875 grams. इसको हम ऐड करेंगे. So we'll get 8875 grams. Okay, I hope this is clear to you how to convert from gram to kilogram and kilogram to gram. Now we go to the next question number 3. Put circle around the heaviest things and square around the lightest thing given below. Look in your workbook. See this question number 3. क्या करना है आपको, पुट सर्कल अराउंड द हैवीएस्ट. जो हैवी होगा उस पर हम सर्कल करेंगे और जो लाइट थिंग होगा उसमें हम स्क्वायर करेंगे. यू हैव टू कंपेयर इट द थिंग्स विच इज गिवन ओवर हियर. फर्स्ट वन इट इज गिवन पेंसिल, book and the school bag. So which is lighter between this? Lightest it is pencil. So put the square on it, and the heaviest thing between this pencil, book and bag it is school bag. तो उस पर हम school bag पे circle करना है. You have to put the circle on school bag. Second one is given bottle of water, table and bed. So which one is heaviest? So bed is heaviest between this bottle of water, table and bed, and bottle of water is lighter than the table and the bed. So put the square on it. बॉटल ऑफ वाटर पे स्क्वायर करेंगे. थर्ड वन लैपटॉप, नोटबुक एंड स्केल. इन तीनों में से हैवीएस्ट कौन सा है? सो लैपटॉप इज द हैवीएस्ट थिंग बिटवीन दिस three things and the scale is the lightest thing, so put the square on it. Like this way it is very easy. You have to just read this thing and then put the circle on the heaviest thing and square on the lightest thing. Now we'll go to the next question. As question number 4, fill in the blanks. So first one, I told you before also, you just keep in your mind 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Second one is half kg equal to, see 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, उसका half करेंगे तो 500 grams. 1 kg equal to 5 multiply by dash grams. See 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 5 के साथ क्या multiply करेंगे तो 1000 grams आएगा. Yes, it is 200 grams. 5 kg equal to dash grams. So directly you can write 5 kg equal to 5000 grams. 1000 के साथ जो भी नंबर है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो we'll get the grams from kilograms to grams. Next is 3 kg equal to 3000 grams. So here we'll multiply 1000 with 3. So we'll get 3000 grams. Next is 7 kg. So it is 7000 grams. 8 kg equal to 8000 grams. So with 4 which number will multiply? So it is 2000 grams. From 10 kg and 1000 grams, dash is heavier. 10 kg or 1000 grams में which is heavier? So it is 10 kg. Ninth one, from 150 grams and 1.5 kg, dash is lighter. So which one is lighter? 150 grams. Here you have to write the unit grams. 10th one, 2 kg equal to dash multiply by half kg. 2 kg equal to 2000 grams. तो यहाँ पे हमें हाफ के जी के साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 4 करेंगे तो 2000 ग्राम्स हमें मिलेंगे. सी हाफ के जी इक्वल टू 500 ग्राम्स. 500 kg मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 करेंगे तो हमें 2 kg मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज फिफ्थ वन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. इन विच यूनिट डू गिवन थिंग्स आर परचेज्ड जनरली in grams or kilograms? Join in an appropriate way. See here the grams and kilogram unit is given. So which things we are purchasing in these units, that you have to match with it. See millet will take in kilograms. It is, for example, it is given. Next is black pepper. छोटा छोटा रहता है black pepper. So it is that we take in a grams. Next is potato, that we are taking in kilograms. Fourth one is saffron, that we took in grams. Next is cashew nuts in grams. Onion we are taking in kilograms. Sandal in grams. Clove in grams. Wheat we are taking in kilograms. Sugar in kilogram. Same way you have to fill these blanks also. Question number 6. See, fill in the blanks by the grams or kilograms. जैसे हमने फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में किया वैसे ही यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में करना है. आपको यूनिट लिखना है ग्राम एंड किलोग्राम. द वेट ऑफ द व्हीट सैक 50 kg. द वेट ऑफ द फेविस्टिक ग्लू छोटा सा रहता है 15 kg में रहता है. ग्राम में रहेगा वो इन ग्राम, छोटा सा है वो. The weight of the spectacles is 40 grams. The weight of the coconut is 1.5 kg. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Question number 7. Which pen of the balance will go down? Represent it with down arrow mark. See here the pen of the balance is given. See in this pens the weight is there in the both the pens different weight is there. You have to just add it and you have to see which one is go down. See, in the first one this example is given, so in the second pen the weight is heavier than the first one, so this pen will go down. तो आपको arrow करना है वहाँ पे. Second one, you can see the weight is there in the pen, so you have to first add it and write the total weight and then compare it which is heavier. So here also second one pen will go down, so there you have to put the down arrow. Turn the page, number 178. See, here also given. So first you have to add this weight in grams, write the total weight and then compare it. So here which one is the heavier, second one pen will go down. In the fourth one, here you can see this compare this weight. So here first one pen will go down. आपको ऐड करना है, जो यूनिट दिया है ग्राम्स में वो पूरे ऐड करके उसके टोटल अमाउंट लिखना है. देन यू कंपेयर इट, देन पुट द एरो. This way you have to solve this last 4 and then put the arrow which will go down. Next we'll see in the next questions we'll see in the next video. Thank you.